Are you confused on how to use essential oils in your everyday face routine? Get our March recipe box and we'll teach you how to use essential oils daily. Let's make this gentle face cleanser to get your face nice and sparkly clean. With this recipe, you'll go from using a harsh face cleanser daily to using a gentle face cleanser that has all natural ingredients. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their daily lives. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started on our next recipe. Here is what you'll need for this recipe. You're gonna wanna grab your March recipe box as well as your bonus box. First things first, let's grab our recipe card so we can know what we all need. You are gonna grab your amazing face wash powder. This is a new product that Simply Earth is launching and I'm so excited for you guys to try this. You're also gonna grab your Beauty Within essential oil blend and your almond oil from your big bonus box. Another thing you're gonna wanna grab is a little bowl from your kitchen. Let's get started. All right, the first step you're gonna wanna do is grab your almond oil and 1/4 of a teaspoon and add this to your bowl. All right, the next step is you're gonna wanna add 1 drop of Beauty Within essential oil blend. This blend is amazing for your skin and you are really gonna love the scent as well. Next, we are going to stir the essential oil and the almond oil together to make sure they're evenly incorporated. All right, and the last step is you're gonna grab your face wash powder from your recipe box and you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of this guy into the almond oil and the essential oil mixture. The last step is you're gonna mix this together. And once you get the consistency that you would like, it should be kind of like wet sand. You are going to put this mixture into a sealable container. All right, now that this is mixed together, it looks kind of like wet sand. I'm gonna put this into my sealable container. All right, now that this is in a sealable container, I am gonna put my label on it and it is good to go. Ta-da! You can make this gentle face cleanser too. Let's test it out. To use this guy, you are going to wanna grab a pea-size amount, something probably about this amount is perfect. You're gonna add water to this and then scrub your face. I absolutely love this new face cleanser. It makes my face super smooth and it's not too harsh. I absolutely love seeing all of your creations that you guys make. So go ahead and take a picture of your recipes and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it super easy to make all natural recipes. Go and get yours today.